Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I purchased this motherboard from Aliexpress for $22. It shipped all the way from China and the shipping cost only $4. And in case you are wondering, the seller's name is HDCX Shenzhen. It's a used gigabyte LGA 775 motherboard, the G4 with an G41 chipset. And today I'm going to test it to see if it works or not.
We'll just do a quick unboxing here. We will be using this Core 2 Extreme CPU. It has a very high TDP of 130 watts, so it will be pushing the motherboard to the extreme, and we'll be using two sticks of 2 gigs of RAM each, so it will be 4 gigs in total. And for cooling this power hungry 130 watt CPU, I'll be using an Antec A30 cooler. It is a heat pipe based cooler and I purchased it for this experiment of today only. And for the video part, I'll be using a GTX 650 Ti video card. First we start with putting the CPU inside the socket. And now we seat the CPU cooler to the motherboard. There. Now we are ready to put it into a cabinet, connect a PSU and start it up. I have assembled it into a cabinet and with a hard drive, a PSU. There goes in the power cord. And now for the moment of truth. The fans are running but there is no signal on the monitor. What could be the problem? Let's try to troubleshoot. First we'll reset the CMOS by taking out the battery, pressing the power switch for a few seconds and then replacing the battery. That clears out the previous CMOS settings in this used motherboard. We'll start it up again. The fans spin okay, but there is still no video in the monitor. Now we'll try a geeky way of troubleshooting. We'll use a PCI debug card. The motherboard gets stuck at error code 26. It means a pre-memory initialization error. In English, this means that the motherboard is having problems communicating or detecting the RAM. So let's try to troubleshoot that. We'll try booting up again with one RAM stick instead of the two. And voila, there is video in the monitor. So it's clear that it's a RAM problem. So let's try to clean the RAMs first, and if it doesn't work, we'll clean the DIMM slots on the motherboard. I am using 70% isopropyl alcohol to clean the gold fingers on the RAM. Now we'll try and boot it up again. Well, what do you know? It works. Hey, it works. The system boots up, alright. We'll just do a little tinkering with the CPU voltages here. And then connect the hard drive and let it boot into Windows. It has booted into desktop, and now let's see the specs of the system. It's a Core 2 Extreme Q6850 CPU with 4 gigs of RAM. Now we'll run Prime 95 for over an hour, and Prime 95 is a stress test that stresses your CPU and RAM, and since the motherboard feeds the CPU and RAM, this is the best test for testing the endurance of your motherboard. And if the system is stable for over an hour at these levels of stress, we can say that the motherboard is rock solid for almost all day-to-day applications. Now we come back 1.5 hours later and the system is still running stable and rock solid. So today's experiment was a success. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.